So friends, welcome in today's video. Because of corona, our schools are closed from many months. So the government had made bridge course of 45 days for students to practice their previous standard syllabus. And in this bridge course, there are three tests on day 15, day 30 and day 45. And today is 45 day. So we are going to see the solution of test number 3 of English of standard 10th. So do not forget to watch the video till end. So let's start our video without any delay. So this is the bridge course test number 3 of subject English of Marathi medium students. The marks for this test is 20. So let us start. Question 1. Develop a story with the help of the following beginning. Suggest a suitable title. They had given us some starting part of the story and we have to complete the story. The title of the story is The Poor Boy. You can also use another title. Let's start our story. Once there was a poor boy. His name was Dinesh. He had no money. He was living in slums. He wanted to study, but his father was not in position to make afford his studies. So he was going for work every day. Morning he was collecting flowers and removing wastes with the help of fork. Then he was rolling with paper and packing in the box. On the box he was writing with the pencil number of flowers he was packed. Then he was tying that box in the rope. Then he carried that box to the market to sell. After that he was going to work at homes who will pay money to him. He loves music very much. Whenever listening songs anywhere on radio, he stops his work and stand wherever he was. His mother was doing crafts with wire, bed spring, pins, sticks, etc. And the boy was selling that on the roadside. When the children was going to school, the slum boy was going with them and he was pulling the window screen to listen by standing on the window side, or he was standing on the front of classroom door. One day, the education minister saw that boy in the class. The education minister was very surprised by the boy. So he called him and said, I am the education minister, and by watching your hard work, I had decided to give you the free education. So come in the street palace tomorrow. The education minister was waiting for the slum boy. The boy came to his home and he looked at the man. He was wearing suit. When the man saw the boy, he gave a bunch of oranges and said him. So friends, complete the story and let's see the next question. Question 2. Observe the picture and write down what the children are doing. So friends, before writing the answer, watch the picture carefully and let's write the answer. There are 6 friends in the picture, in which there are 4 boys and 2 girls. They are enjoying their Sunday. One of the boy is reading the story book of Vikram Beta by sitting below the tree. One boy is trying to watch the sparrow by scoop he had by sitting on the branch tree. Another 2 boys are enjoying football. One girl is painting the nature. So friends, complete this answer. Let's go to the next question. Question 3a. Do as directed. Identify a quotation and an idiomatic expression from the below sentences and write down. So the first sentence is pull yourself together, and second sentence is live as if you were to die tomorrow. So friends, in this question they had given us two sentences in which we have to identify which is the quotation and which is the idiomatic expression. So let's see the answer of the question. Quotation: live as if you were to die tomorrow. And idiomatic expression: pull yourself together. So friends, complete your write-up. Next question, B. Write a dialogue between you and your mother about making tea. In this question, there are two characters, your mother and you you have to write, or you have to make dialogue writing. So let's see. Son said, Mom, it's tea time. Mother: yes son, tea is almost ready and I am bringing it in a minute. Son said, Mom, I will get the tea table ready in the meantime. Mother said, here you are. Come everybody, the tea is ready. I had make tea for you all. Tea, milk and sugar are separate pots. So complete your write-up. You can also add your own sentences in this dialogue writing. Next, question 4a. Read the passage carefully and paraphrase the underlined words, phrases. Let's read the passage. I like the poem for the very reason that anyone else would like it for its humor. I also like the poem because of the poet balances the exaggeration with seemingly convincing logic. So in these underlined words you have to write paraphrases, means similar word for these two words, and after writing the paraphrases you have to write the paragraph again. So exaggeration, over emphasize, and convincing, persuade. So you can write these words as paraphrases for underlined words. Next question, B. Do as directed. First one, if you study regularly you will get good marks. And second, they turn the pages which were yellow and crinkly. So in this activity we have to underline the subordinate clauses and write the type of this subordinate clause. So in first sentence, if you study regularly is the subordinate clause, and in second sentence, which were yellow and crinkly is the subordinate clause. So first underline the subordinate clause and let's write the types. In first sentence it is adverb clause, and in second question, which were yellow and crinkly, is adjective clause. So let's go to the next question. Second, first Mathilde saw some bracelets. We have to change it in passive voice. And second, the story was told by the writer. We have to change this sentence into active voice. So let's change the first sentence into passive voice. Some bracelets were seen by Mathilde. And second, the writer told the story. So friends, complete your write-up. Next question 3. First, she likes to sing songs. Here we have to underline the infinitive. And second, playing violin is the best hobby. Here we have to underline the gerund. So in first sentence, she likes to sing songs. To sing is the infinitive, so you have to underline to sing. And in second sentence, playing is the gerund, so you have to underline playing. So here our question paper ends. Friends, we have already uploaded the solutions of the test 3 of Science 1, Science 2, History, Geography, Marathi. So do not forget to watch that videos, subscribe our channel for fast updates, like the video and share the video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.